In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix unusual activity detected in ElevenLabs. So if you're using the ElevenLabs and if you face the error unusual activity detected, there might be various reasons behind it. There might be some unusual activity in your account. So what you can do is simply try signing out of your account. Click on the account icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and click on the sign out option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, make sure to wait for about 24 hours and sign back into your account. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with the browser itself. So in that case, what you can do is try using the incognito mode. For that, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, new incognito window, that you can see on the screen. Or instead of that, you can also press Ctrl Shift and N on your keyboard. After you do that, you'll be able to use the incognito window. Use the ElevenLabs in the incognito mode and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, try clearing the cache and cookies of the browser. For that, click on this option, delete browsing data, that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. You can select the time frame according to your choice. Now click on this option, delete data, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here the cache and cookies will be deleted. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, in the settings interface only, look at left. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down, click on this option about Chrome that you can see on the screen. Now make sure it is up to date. Once it is up to date, try using the ElevenLabs and your problem will be solved. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix unusual activity detected in ElevenLabs. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.